So how to change region on TikTok, how to change your country setting, okay, on your TikTok account. I want to show you step by step how to do that. And before we jump into it, if you are new to my channel, my name is Chou. I'm a father, husband, online entrepreneur, and also co-founder of the Wealth Warriors. And in the last 3.5 years alone, me and also my business partner, Nathan, we have generated over $3.4 million online without us sacrificing our personal time, without us grinding 24/7, and without us stopping from doing what we love. Okay. And right now we are teaching others how to do the same. So if you are not following my channel yet, make sure you follow my channel because I share with you guys how to make money online, tips and insights every single day. All right. So let's dive right in and let me bring up my cell phone. Okay. So now you see my cell phone screen. This account I created when I traveled to Taiwan to see my family this summer. Okay. So TikTok tracked where you created your account. And because I created this account when I was in Taiwan, so my region was locked as from Taiwan. Okay. Now I'm back in the United States, and when you need to change country, okay, you have to be in that country for at least 60 days. And today is day number 60. So I can actually change my country setting. Okay. So let me show you how to do it. On your TikTok account, you want to go to top right hand corner, the 3 lines, okay, the hamburger icon right here. Click on it. Then you're going to select settings and privacy. Click on it. Then simply click the first one. It says account. Okay. Click on it. Then you're going to select user information. Click on it. Now you see my account region was set to Taiwan, right? Just like I explained to you, because I created this account when I was in Taiwan. Now, how to change it? Click on account region, then simply select the country you want to change it to. I'm going to change it to United States, okay? So select United States, then you simply confirm, then hit continue, accept, update, okay? Right now it's updating my region right now. It may take around 15 minutes. Then they're going to notify me once this is completed. Okay. That's how you change your country setting on your TikTok account. Hope you guys receive value. And if you want to learn, okay, step by step, exactly how I make $1,000 per day on TikTok and also on other social media platform, right? Click the link in the video description, okay? When you click on that link, it's going to send you to my training website, okay? I show you the simple 3-step hack to generate $1,000 in daily profits online, okay? And this is the completely free training. So put in your email, then go through that training if you want to learn how to make money online. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Let's go.